And that's why I think a lot of what you're hearing about with this, if a city official is saying, oh, test, too many calls in, too much, we can't have this. I mean, this isn't going to look good for the stats. This kind of activity by Sacramento, that kind of activity is what is causing the crime statistics to appear to be lower. And anybody that you know of that's on the streets, that's like people at 7-Eleven. Hey, is crime getting better? No. Are you still having your stuff jacked? Yeah. Yeah. The statistics aren't getting better. And yet we're told by mainstream media, oh, yeah, there's nothing to worry about. It's okay. It's nothing to worry about. Maybe we had a absolute peak in 2022, 2023, but it hasn't gotten significantly better because I think most people have made those adjustments and they're just not calling it in because they know it's a huge waste of time. Like in Chicago, you've got a 50-50 that the police department's actually going to show up for your 911 call. 50-50. 1 out of 2, roughly. Yeah, that's some wild stuff. City's attorney's office and the Sacramento Police Department were not aware of any threats of litigation. Tim Swanson, a spokesperson for the city of Sacramento, wrote in an email, "We know nothing. We know nothing. Nothing." It's unclear why City Attorney Susanna Alcala Wood's office would allegedly resort to such an issuing a warning to any business seeking help from police. Swanson did not grant multiple interview requests for our city attorney's office over a period of about a week. Yeah, we're just not going to talk about that. Mum's the word, ignore it, and it'll go away. It's just, those ridiculous people. They're bringing up the fact that we were going to maybe fine, a store for, nuisance calls. Clark Kelso, a professor of law at the University of Pacific's McGeorge School of Law, said there is no question that city attorneys have every right to pursue a public nuisance charge against businesses in which owners know the property is dangerous. However, experts said it's unclear if the law allows a public nuisance charge when people steal from the store. Yet this is beyond that. These are actual criminal activities happening, and police should be involved. But with the way things have gone with Target, not being held accountable, right? The retailer is a victim and could be seeking serious help when confronted with shoplifters, he said. The alleged warnings by city officials statewide may affect what crime data is reported as businesses contend with the potential of facing legal action for reporting retail theft. All right, so if you report too much, we're going to fine you. Okay, we're approaching that, Johnny. I mean, we've got 4 shoplifters in the store right now. We're about to tap out on how many times we can call in the criminal activity. So what do you recommend? Don't call? Okay. Yeah, that's what I was kind of thinking too. No call? All right. Yeah. All right. I hear you. I mean, is that how that's going to go? So Target did not respond to requests for comment about the apparent threat and why city officials raised concerns about their practices. Rogers declined to comment further than to say that she was glad the city and Target were working together to problem solve the theft and crime inside the store and in the parking lot. You got the blind leading the blind here. If Target wants to hammer down on this criminal activity, they need to involve the police. If they're not doing that, and if folks are getting the message that, we'd come on out, we'd love to help you out,